suit yourself then. Shall we continue?
Continue with for what?
Calm down, sir. I don't really want you to have a panic attack right now.
Your mother and I are extremely disappointed. For how long you're throwing the medicine in the garbage?
Dad, I won't want them. I don't need them.
We can't afford any of this. But still, we are trying to sacrifice our lives on you. And this is the way thanking us?
What happened? Does this seem familiar to you?
It's easy. You just need the same color together. But you have to step by step.
So, what's the first step then?
I will show you. It's something like.
Sacrifice our lives on you. And this is the way thanking us? Are you listening to me? Or am I talking to myself? Let's play this game if you want to. I will throw your cube away if you throw your medicine away.
Don't do it. Just don't do it. I did it. I did it.
So, you remember something, right?
I did all of that. All he did was care of me. But I killed him. Why did they treat me as someone special? More like an outcast. Why can not just be a normal person like everybody else? I have been trying to solve this cube my whole life. I don't want to solve these anymore cubes. Please, please.